Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Vincent Nguyen with Radius Media Network. I am here to unbox with you the new Nokia E61. Very simply, we have the device itself. As you can see, it's very thin. We have the CD, 1500 milliamp battery. Let's see, Nokia sent along a 64 megabyte mini SD, stereo headset. Let's see what else, more manuals, along with the charger plug-in. Since this came in from Europe, what we have to do is we have to get an adapter for it in order to use this phone here in the US. The charging cable. Basically, that's it. For now, come back tomorrow for a more detailed look. Oh, look what we have here. It's twin brother. Come back tomorrow for a full review. And again, my name is Vincent Nguyen with Radius Media Network.